Welcome to OpenTX.
Eachine have just released their own version of the popular Radiomaster TX16S transmitter. I heard about this a few months ago and I've managed to get hold of one to see what the differences are. Although it's got the same name as the original TX16S, this is branded Eachine and it's made for them by Radiomaster. So this is no clone and it's officially supported in OpenTX. Now these look a bit different on the outside, but are there any other differences? Hello and welcome to the Whirly Black channel. Basically this Eachine TX16S is the same as the Radiomaster TX16S, and that's hardly surprising since they actually make it for Eachine. Externally it's similar to the Radiomaster with a few styling changes. They've moved those weird chicken feet buttons that were along the top of the radio down here above the display, but that's about it really. There's a few nice rubber grips on the back and it all feels very solid as you'd expect. But the gimbals are a little bit different. These are the same Hall effect gimbals used on the Radiomaster, except you can adjust the tension and the stick travel right on the front of the radio, so you don't need to take it apart anymore. You just use a hex drive in these holes to adjust them where you want. And these are mounted in really nice CNC aluminium faces. And although that's all really useful, to be honest, it's not something that you need to do all the time. But I think where this radio wins is if you use Eachine aircraft. There's a whole load of hot presets for Eachine planes, quads, helicopters and so on. So beginners will find it much easier and quicker to set up a new model if they're using Eachine aircraft. In terms of the price, this is about £130 or around $180, which is a good $20 cheaper than the equivalent Radiomaster. And that's a lot of radio for the money. I'll leave links in the description so you can check out the latest prices. And I've noticed Banggood are offering a free R81 receiver for the first 300 customers. And do keep an eye on the prices if you're in the market for a full-size multi-protocol radio, because I'm sure Eachine and Radiomaster prices for this will be bouncing around each other. So what do you get with this radio? It's a 16-channel multi-protocol transmitter running OpenTX. And this supports all the main RC formats and protocols, which means you don't have to worry too much about what receiver you've got. You just need to change the settings on the radio rather than have to flash matching firmware for, say, international or EU LBT protocols. And that means you can use this with Spectrum, DSM, Walkara, Devo, FR Sky, Futaba, Fly Sky, Husband, High Sky, any others, SEMA, Asan and most of the other Chinese receivers. It even comes with all the necessary support for full speed native TBS crossfire receivers in the included Lewis scripts. On the back there's an external module bay to plug your crossfire or ghost module in if you're using those. And you get this fantastic 4.3-inch IPS colour display. I've had to turn the brightness down on this because it's just swamping out the camera, but it is very bright and very clear. And as soon as OpenTX 2.4 is available, this is touchscreen ready. And by the way, if you're updating the firmware on this with OpenTX Companion, this is using the Radiomaster TX16S target. And this came flash with OpenTX 2.3.9, which is a couple of releases behind the latest, but that's not really a problem. It's powered by a couple of 18650 cells and it's got an internal charger. So you just need to plug a USB-C cable in to charge them up. And that's the same place that the SD card lives as well. So the switches you get on this are pretty comprehensive, just like the Radiomaster. You've got a 2-position switch there, toggle switch. These are all 3-position toggle switches, all very nice. Very good. And then you've got a 2-position momentary switch on the top there. A couple of rotary pots for whatever you want to use those for. Maybe use them for volume on the radio. And there's some sliders on the side here very nice, they're very smooth, and they've got a center detent, which is pretty useful. What else have we got? Yeah, all the trim switches are here as normal, and then you've got all the normal switches, system, model, return, page up, page down, telly, and the scroll wheel, which is clickable to select whatever you're doing. Now, I could go on, but this has pretty much got everything you're ever going to need on an RC transmitter. Beginner or experienced, it pretty much fits all. The only real niggle for me is this handle. It really needs to be foldable, but I'm sure the Radiomaster folding handle that you can get will fit. So if you want a fantastic full-size transmitter, this is perfect, especially if you've got Eachine, aircraft, quads. Let's have a look actually. We go in here and select a model, model select. Look at all these. Aero, Delta, there's a helicopter, there's a quad, there's a heli there. What have we got down here? Select that, select model. Yeah, really nice. Perfect. It's a very nice radio. As always, thanks for watching, and if you found that useful, give me a thumbs up and leave a comment. And if you want to see more like this, remember to subscribe and hit the bell down here to get notified when I post new content. And I'll see you next time.